Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hagasin ke Banengkong ke Marquee Bazaar kala wan yuk kejat hanong ba Shillong ban penlong ya ke exhibition ha ke 5-star hotel ke Balashna ha ke office barim jo ke Shillong Municipal Board ke Badon Hajan ke petrol pump Hajiel Road. Ya kene ke exhibition ke basisngi la penlong hne ke singi khat arterik u Jemang ha ke bala ple pai ba da uba Adelbert Nongrum u MLA ke North Shillong constituency u balalong u Kongsan. Habaya keren bat kinong penya ya ke exhibition bakentup ya ke Dipti Bangka bat ke Punam Goyal kilayeto bakane ke exhibition ke dei ke Banengkong bala penlong ha kane ke nong ba Shillong bat ke thong ke bakilabu hakamat kalong ban wanra ya ke jing penya jan ni ki trai muluk jongkani ke jela bat ki wei pat ki jaj benri ki bana ke Lenggari India. Hagane kesngi bonteli ki dukan lapli bandie ya ki jan balasu penuan durbha ha ki rukom baper kentup ru ya ki juti ki ksiar bat ki wei ki tiar bagi pai ba ki jupendon kam man lagasngi.
Basically, Shillong is being a fashion hub, right? And maximum exhibitions take place in Guwahati. So all the purchasing power goes to Guwahati. We as localites of Shillong, we want that the purchasing power and should also be prevalent in Shillong, right? So that's why the 3 youngsters, we decided to have an exhibition there. We tried from all over India.
From Calcutta, from Calcutta,
Delhi, yeah.
Guwahati,
Mumbai, you know.
We have called nutritionists from Mumbai so that can explore. People can explore
what
is fitness is. You know, they have seen VLCC, they have seen everything, but fitness over the phone. It's fitness over the phone. She have come all the way from Mumbai to see the people of Shillong. Their politeness, their warmthness of tribal in here. People have different mindset for them.
Yes.
Now they are seeing that they are the itself is a city of rocks, Shillong. It's very beautiful. People know that.
All the exhibitors who have come from Calcutta and from Mumbai, they are telling it's such a beautiful place, you know. They are very thankful to us that we have put an exhibition here so that they can explore the
Shillong, the beauty of Shillong. They have stayed here for 3-4 days so that they can
apart from the exhibition also to see there. And basically the idea is that the tribal people who don't go to Guwahati, you know, they can experience the exhibition thing here right now in Shillong.
We have just not bought tunics or suits. There's home decor. There's laltins from Mussoorie. People have come from Mussoorie to put up the laltins.
Customized jewelry.
Customized shoes.
You know, for Jainism and all, nowadays there's a huge trend for customized jewelry on Jainism. So we put stalls for that also. 2-3 people have
for youngsters, we have put up customized shoes, hand-painted shoes.
Hand-painted shoes, and we're doing it all over India. It has come
from
here.
Vans.
So that way we are trying that the local people, basically we were targeting the local people of Shillong so that, you know, they can also experience the exhibitions which takes place in Mumbai, Delhi, Guwahati, you know, how they set up. We have done the same kind of
the standards, the
standards is like same.
Mumbai.
They do it in a like
5-star.
5-star hotel. So this was under construction. We took this. We had the entire setup. Basically, it's for the people of Shillong.